To another episode of Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull Dividend Portfolio Spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. The total account balance is up to $8,726.37, which is pretty impressive. We have a total return of 28.6% and a total of unrealized gains at $1,380. As far as our deposits for the month of March, we were able to deposit $200 in March and we had $200 in February. So a total of $400 of deposits since the last video. So the total amount we've deposited in the account is $6,400. As far as our dividends received for the month of March, we received $2.96 from Unilever, $10.65 from Oxford Lane, $11.44 from ExxonMobil, $2.96 from Realty Income, $1.50 from EPR Properties. We got two payments from QILD this month for a total of $17.51. We also received $2 from Horizon. And then this month we were able, with our dividend money, we were able to add 2 shares of QILD. And then in February we added 1 share of QILD. As far as all of our purchases for the month of March, we added 2 shares of Unilever. We added, how much is that? We added 35 shares of Oxford Lane, which my thought process on this is I just recently got my tax returns. In the dividends from Oxford Lane is treated as long-term capital gains, so you get taxed at a lower tax rate. So like the dividend, let me show you real quick. The dividend yield is 12.64% right now, and that is taxed at a lower rate than, say, QILD. This year, QILD got taxed as ordinary income, so that's a higher taxed rate than long-term capital gains. So my thought is this is actually the better deal as far as the tax drag on the dividends. My thought process also was that I could get this up over top of the amount of the price of the stock. That way every month I can buy 1 share of Oxford Lane, or with all the other dividends I'll be able to buy another share of QILD if QILD is below my cost basis. In February we added 25 shares of Energy Transfer, and there's our 2 shares of QILD we bought with our dividend money. And then that is it as far as purchases. And then same thing as far as our dividends go, you can see that most of our dividend income is coming from QILD. We still have some dividend money left over that we're going to deploy in the month of April. So here's our chart of our monthly dividend income. For the month of March, we had a total of $48.98, which you can see is a huge increase from year over year, from the first year to the second year to this year. This has become my favorite chart because this is our goal, is to have our money making money, not only to be able to purchase more shares of stocks to make us more money, but also so that we don't have to contribute to the account. Eventually, the amount we've been contributing will be the amount that the fund is making. So we can choose at that point to either continue to contribute and we'll be contributing twice as much money, or we won't have to contribute at all and we can use our money for something else. Remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull Dividend Portfolio, our M1 Finance Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, and our M1 Finance Growth Portfolio. The total value of all of our accounts together has hit the big milestone of $50,000. So far in the last couple of years, we've been able to put away, we put in $43,000 about, or that's how much all the stocks cost, and the value of the account is up to $50,553, and we've been able to get a total return of 21%. We started investing just prior to COVID and have done pretty good, I think. Anyways, we have been trying to keep the majority of our accounts in tax advantage accounts, so that would be our Fidelity Health Savings Account and our M1 Finance Roth IRA. That way we don't have to pay any taxes on our dividends or our gains. And then all of our accounts together have the potential to create $1,900 a year with us not having to do anything but collect dividends. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do want to see more investing videos, you can click the links on the screen or over in the sidebar. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow our journey. If you want to try out M1 Finance or Webull, there's links in the description below where you can do that. Also, we'd like to invite you to use our affiliate Amazon link down in the description. Whenever you buy something from Amazon, it helps out the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Thank you and have a great day.